This is a product from Elysian. It's a small manufacturer here in the States. This is a product called Green Fig, and it's got a very unique smell. I'm gonna go right onto the fig. All right, so I'm on the road. I'm doing a travel shave today, and I'm excited because I'm going to be featuring new products. Love new products. And products that I've had my eye on for a while. And products from friends. So here's the Merkur Progress adjustable razor. This is from my good friend, Shaver Boy 516. Very generous of you, my man. I've been looking at this for a long time. Been looking at it. It's on my Amazon wish list, and Shaver Boy sent it to me. So adjustable DE razors are great because you can dial up or dial down the aggressiveness to your liking. Start very aggressive for the first couple of passes and dial down. So I'm going to be working with this today. There's also a Merkur blade we're going to be trying out. So thank you, Ron. You're a good man. I'm also going to be featuring a soap and an aftershave that I've been watching for a while. This is a product from Elysian. It's a small manufacturer here in the States. Shannon owns this company, has started it. It's a project of passion, and from what I gather, great products. And this will be my maiden voyage. This is a product called Green Fig Artisan Soap, and it's got a very unique smell, right? Very unique, very different. I had a Zoom call with Shannon to talk about her company, and I'll post that soon. And I said, first of all, you do a lot of food stuff. And second of all, I don't know what a green fig is supposed to smell like. It has a very unique smell to it. There's an accompanying aftershave. Very nice. Okay, and you know, guys, my favorite brush. This is the 1962 from the fine folks at FM Brush. And I do mean fine folks. So this is a synthetic silver tip badger hair shaving brush premium. It looks like badger, performs like badger, but it's better than badger because no badger was harmed harvesting this brush or harvesting the filament for the brush. It's cleaner, it's more durable. You don't have to wet soak it. You know the drill. So we're gonna get right into the shave. Again, I'm looking at probably about a week's worth of stubble. So I'm gonna start this adjustable at the highest setting. I'm gonna start it all the way up at 5. Very nice, guys. Look at this beautiful razor. Now they make a long handle as well. This is a short handle. And this Merkur blade, or Merkur blade, Shaver Boy 516 likes this. No gunk, comes right out of the package. There's a little arrow on the head here. It has to line up with, there's a little mark there, if you can see that. So the mark and the arrow need to line up. They need to be on the same side. Look at that. Just a beautiful razor. Look at the shininess of it. Just a classic look to it. And I'm ready to go. Again, I'm gonna go with the 5 setting. That's where I'll start. And let's get cooking. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet the face. I'll steam up with near hot water, guys. Softens the bristles, gets the whiskers and your face ready for the shave, and it feels really good. Near hot. You don't want scalding hot. You want it to be near hot. So it's working, but not burning. You don't want to damage your beautiful face, guys. You don't want to do that. You want to take care of what your mama gave you. All right. And I'm really, really excited about this. Now, you don't need to wet soak this because it's synthetic premium. Just a little bit of water. And I'm not blooming this soap. I'm going right into this tin. And you know, I like the fact that the tin is larger than the soap head, or it's not filled to the top. Gives you a nice, like, reservoir to get that soap. And I'm gonna go right onto the face. Oh, this is very, very nice, guys. Such a unique smell. Guys, you're gonna have to trust me. I like to deal with people that are nice, people that are passionate about what they do, people that are working hard for following a dream. I like to support people here in the States as much as I can. Small businesses, hopefully they become big businesses. Friends. And from talking to Shannon, she and her team are the right kind of people. My kind of people, great people. All right. It's a nice, calm feel. Oh yeah. First pass with the grain of the hair. 2 sides to a double edge. You know the drill. Use them both. Oh, that's really nice. Super unique scent here. Green fig. Oh, very, very nice, guys. And this 5 setting on the Progress is very nice. Smooth. Ron, you know what you're talking about, brother. Look at that. Just a nice shave. No problem ripping through that week's worth of growth on the 5. Soap is plenty slick, nice and protective, and it's just got, I keep going back to a unique fragrance. Very unique fragrance. You make a good soap, Shannon. Again, I'll be posting a conversation that I had with Shannon recently, so you can learn more about Elysian soap and perfume colognes. and I'll leave a link in the description box so you can get over, check out the soaps, the products, and support Elysian. Nice. Very, very nice, guys. First pass in the books. So I'm going to dial this progress back. I'm going to dial it back to a 3. So I'm going to go milder. I'm going to add a little bit more of the near hot water. And I'm going back to that original lather for pass 2. I'm going to add a little bit more water this time. Right on the head of the brush, just run it under some near hot water. Build up a little bit more lather. Oh, it's heavenly, this smell. Heavenly. Slick. Look how slick that is. And it just feels good. Oh, the smell is nice. Nice organic smell to it. So we're gonna go in and do a cross grain pass now. This pass is a crucial pass. It attacks under the nose, around the sensitive bits, jawline. This is where you're making all that. So we're making all those areas good. Nice, easy strokes. Taking your time. Very smooth razor. Nice and relaxing. Kind of a zen moment. And that razor is talking to you. Buzzing at you. Again, this is where I'm getting close in. Addressing those areas, hard to reach spots around the corners of the lips. Jawline. Don't force it, guys. Let the device skate across your skin. Hover over the skin. You're not looking to dig. You're looking to shave. Two passes in the books. Now I'm going to do my final pass. I'm going to dial the progress back all the way down to a 1. And now I'm going to do an against grain pass. Back to that original brush, that original lather. For the third and final pass, I tend to like to go lighter on the lather. It's like that fine, get right pass. Guys, oh, the soap is heavenly. It's heavenly. Heavenly. Oh yeah, Third and final pass, the get right pass. Not trying to do too much. Oh yeah, it's talking to me though. Take your time. Do it right. Again, I'm not trying to do too much on this pass. Using the weight, the heft of the device to just do all the work. Because you're never going to get all of the hair, guys. You're never going to have that glass-like. It's very rare, right? The search or the pursuit of perfection, hard to attain perfection. In an imperfect world. So enjoy it. Don't stress out. Enjoy the shave. So now I'm going to go with some cool water. Rinse off. I'm impressed. I'm impressed by the razor. I'm impressed by the soap. I'm impressed by my damn self. I'm impressive today. I'm getting ready to go do some work, meet some people, and I'm gonna look and feel great. Oh man, nice shave. All right, guys. Again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for Elysian soap, artisan soap, guys. Green fig. And I'll show you some more of their products. The Merkur Progress short handle adjustable DE razor. Beautiful. My favorite brush and my favorite people on the whole planet. The FM Brush Company. Their beautiful 1962 premium synthetic badger hairbrush. It's just beautiful. And you got to take care of your brushes, guys. Take care of your brushes. All right, here we go. We're going to end it up with the green fig, Elysian green fig aftershave. Splash. Splash down. A little bit warmer. So the soap is kind of like a cool, vibe. And the splash is light, but warm, sort of like an amber. Smell and feel, oh, nice. Guys, you gotta get over and support Elysian soap and let Shannon know the average guy sent you. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow. It will be tomorrow. I'm doing a video for a day, for a year, shorts. So check out my shorts, and I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could